E. Jewel Johnson is Senior Counsel and Chief Employment Counsel for Graphic Packaging International Incorporated, a publicly traded company that is one of the world's largest producers of folding cartons and coated recycled boxboard. Before joining Graphic Packaging, Johnson was the first woman of color equity partner at Fisher & Phillips LLP, serving on its recruiting committee and founded and co-chaired its diversity committee. For nearly 2 decades, Jewel Johnson has served the profession and community in many capacities that demonstrate her commitment to equality. She is chair of the Georgia Personnel Board, a member of the Employee Benefits Plan Council, and a coordinating committee member of the National Employment Law Council. She was the 2007 president of the Georgia Association of Black Women Attorneys, or GABWA, after having held numerous board positions from 2001 through 2006. She is a founding member of GABWA's Professional Development Academy that equips law students and new lawyers with the practical skills to be successful attorneys. Since 2010, she has served as president of the Georgia Association of Black Women Attorneys Foundation Incorporated, the charitable arm of GABWA that under her tenure has provided more than $150,000 in scholarships to black women attending Georgia law schools. A champion for diversity in the legal profession since early in her career, ladies and gentlemen, we salute E. Jewel Johnson.